Good morning, class 7. Welcome all of you in math period. Factorization. I have explained how will you factorize the given algebraic expressions. Today I would like to re-explain different types of question. Different methods are used to factorize. I have already explained what is the meaning of factorization. Factorization, an algebraic expression, if it is written in the form of product of two or more factors, that is called factorization. And I have already explained. And product and factorization just opposite process. 6 into x, 6x. And 6x can be written like this. This is factorization and this is the product. Okay. Now I explain different types of question. I have taken one question from each exercise. 6a, 6b, 6c, 6d, 6e, 6f, 6g. Now you see question number 1. I have explained how will you factorize a binomial by taking common. Common means the terms which are in both given expression. Both are, we have 2 or 3, I don't know. Here you see these are numerical coefficients. So what is common in 10 and 12? So 10 if you factorize, you can see here. I will solve one by one here. And then so what is common in 10 and 12? You factorize 10, 10 is equal to 2 into 5, 12, 2 into 2 into 3. Find the prime factor. So first term will be 2 into 5 into p into q. And minus 2 into 2 into 3 into p into q. Understand? Now we have split all the terms, all the given terms. Now you see in the coefficient, 2 is here, 2 is here, 5 is here, but not 5 here, 2 will be common. Now you come to the variable, 1p, here 2p, 1p will be common, 1q, also 1q. So 2pq is the common, you take outside the bracket. Understand? इसको समझ लीजिए. You split the given expressions in a smaller and a smaller terms, and then you see what is common in coefficients, what is common in variables, and you take these two commons out of the bracket, and the remaining you will put inside the bracket. 2p common, you divide by this. So you will get 5, you can see here 2p common, 5 will be here, minus 2 is common, 2 into 3 will be here, 6, 1p is out, q is out, this. So this is called factorization of this first question. And if you find the product, you will get this. 2 5 are 10pq, 2 6 are 12, p square 6. This is 6a. All the other question you have to solve. Now you see here these are not like that question. A square means 2 terms. What is common here? इन दोनों में common है देखें. इसको हम यहाँ solve करते हैं. Now you take 5 is common. So here will be x plus 2y. And here minus 7. A square, you understand what is the meaning of a square? A square means the product of a number itself 2 times x plus 2 by, we can write like this. बोले सर क्यों लिख रहे हैं? देखिए इसको लिखने से आपको इजी रहेगा. It will be easier to choose the common. What is common? No common in the coefficients. X plus 2 by x plus 2 by common. So here will be 5 and here will be minus 7 into x plus 2 by 1. X plus 2 by will be there. Now you see x plus by, and now this will be 5 minus 7x or minus 14y. These are unlike terms. So these are the factorization of this question. And if you multiply, you will get like that. So this is another type of question. Now you come to C. 6C में एक क्वेश्चन देखिए, 4 टर्म्स इसमें हैं. इसमें क्या है कि चूज करना पड़ेगा कि किसको हम सुटेबल पेयर बनाएं. 6 PM will be here and here is Q common. So what will be common? Here will be N common, so P plus Q. Here will be इसमें कॉमन लें PM. No, you have to see the question. I have 6C. 6 में देखिए जो क्वेश्चन है, सिक्स में 6 PM plus 9NQ plus 8 PN. This is PN plus 12 PN. If you take N common and number में 3 common होगा, क्या बचेगा यहाँ P plus Q. यहाँ N common होने का, देखिए इन दोनों को इकट्ठा कर लेते हैं. So you can make the pair 6 PM plus 9NQ. You make the pair. And other pair will be 8 PN plus 12 QN. Now what is common? Common 6 and 9. I have explained 3 will be common. Here N is common. So you take outside the bracket and here will be 2 and P, 2P. And here will be 3Q. This is common in this two. Now you see what will be common, 8 and 12, 4 is common and variable N is common. Here will be 2P plus 3Q. एक चीज और है जो क्वेश्चन में जो कॉमन ब्रैकेट में है, ये दोनों सेम यहाँ आना चाहिए. क्वेश्चन इधर का दिया रहता है. Because if the same term is here, then you can take the common. Otherwise, you cannot take the common. So this is given according to that questions are given. So 2P plus 3Q. And in other bracket 3M plus 4. These are the factorization. तो मैंने कहा था कि factorization different methods. It depends upon the question, how are the question, and suitable method, suitable identity formula is used. Now you see in this is called splitting the middle term. If the questions are in this form, 4 का फैक्टर निकाल लीजिए. 4 का फैक्टर आएगा 1 into 4, 2 into 2. इसमें से एक पेयर लेना है कि हमको -5 लाना है, -2 करने में +4 आना है. तो देखिए इसमें नहीं आएगा, 4 तो आएगा बट -5 भी कन्वर्ट के -4 -1. ये सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट स्टेप है, -1 into -4. So this is called splitting the middle term. So this will be x square minus 5x को split करेंगे, उसका splitting इस number से हम उसको पता लगाते हैं. So that will be minus 4x minus 1x means minus x plus 4. Now you take common, x minus 4. And here no common, so minus 1 is always common. 1 is always common. This is x and this is minus 4. Now you take common x minus 4 and this will be x minus 1. This is the factorization of this term. And if you have to verify whether you are right or wrong, you can find the product. And if you get this term, this means you are right, otherwise not. So this is 6b. You will try to solve remaining question. 6f. I have explained 3 algebraic formula. A plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, and the difference of the squares, a square minus b square. तो ये आपको निकालना है, आपको देखना पड़ेगा कैसा क्वेश्चन है. देखिए 81 is the square of which number? 9 का square है. And this is minus 7. This is a and this is b. A square minus b square. You compare a plus b, a minus b. So this will be a plus b. B means x minus 7. And a minus b. इसको ब्रैकेट में रखना जरूरी है क्योंकि ये ब्रैकेट खोलेंगे तो साइन बदलेगा. Sign is very important in mathematics. 9 plus x. Now you can remove the bracket. And this will be 9 minus x plus 7. These two are like term, you can simplify. So this will be 2 plus x. And here will be 16 minus x. So this is the factorization. And if you multiply, this is if you multiply, you can get this algebraic expression. This is in form of a square minus b square. Now you see the same question. 24 का फैक्टर निकालेंगे तो मैंने कहा 1 into 24, 2 into 12, 3 into 8, 4 into 6. इसमें से एक फैक्टर आपको चूज करना है so that the simplification form will be minus 2 और multiply क्योंकि फिर का फैक्टर है तो 24 तो आएगा, minus 24 लाना है. ये इसमें नहीं आएगा, ये भी नहीं आएगा, ये इसमें आएगा. देखिए 6 minus 4 minus 2. This will be minus 6, this will be plus 6. तो क्यों होगा? क्योंकि ये नेगेटिव है तो नेगेटिव बड़ा नंबर नेगेटिव. यदि साइन को उल्टा कर देंगे तो प्लस 2 आ जाएगा, गलत हो जाएगा. सो दिस विल बी स्प्लिट. एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 2x को स्प्लिट कर लेंगे, माइनस 6x प्लस 4x माइनस 24. नाउ यू सी टेक कॉमन x minus 6 and 4 is common, x minus 6. And now x minus 6 again common and here will be x plus 4. This is the factorization. And last question is 6d. This is also same but only difference is some coefficients are given here. तो हमने इसको फैक्टराइज किए थे, यहाँ पर इन दोनों को इंटू करके करेंगे. तो वो जो 15 into 4 कितना आ गया 60. 60 का फैक्टर देखिए 1 into 60, 2 into 30, 3 into 20, 4 into 15, 5 into 12, 6 into 10. These are the pair of factors. इसमें से एक पेयर चुनेंगे so that you should get minus 16. ये नहीं आएगा इसमें, ये भी नहीं आएगा, ये भी नहीं आएगा. क्यों नहीं आएगा समझ में आ रहा है? क्योंकि इसको हम प्लस माइनस करेंगे तो माइनस 16 नहीं आएगा. ये भी नहीं आएगा. इसमें देखिए आएगा. दोनों माइनस कर लेंगे तो माइनस 16 आ जाएगा. और दोनों को इंटू करेंगे तो कितना आएगा? प्लस 60. तो दिस इज द स्प्लिट ऑफ मिडिल टर्म. कितना? माइनस 6x माइनस 10x. For z square, this will be minus 10x or minus 6x. And if you split carefully, you will get the answer. Now this is z. Z. Variable, whatever variable, no change. So 4 and 10 common is 2. Z square, z is common. Here will be 2z and here will be minus 5. 2z minus 5. Minus 3 common. ये इसमें हो जाएगा 2z और माइनस 5. ये माइनस हो गया क्योंकि इंटू करेंगे तो प्लस आएगा. ये देखिए सेम है. तो 2z minus 5 and here will be 2z minus 3. These are the factors. So my dear students, this is the chapter factorization. Different types of question, different methods, different formulas, different techniques are used. This depends upon your question. More question you will solve, more idea you will learn. Thank you and have a nice day, and I hope you will be solving.